Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2011 Toyota Sienna L. Just like most of our vehicles, is a mobility and wheelchair accessible van. I'll get right to the manual rear entry conversion. Very easy to operate. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. It's got these clamps on here that keep these ramps from rattling around. A lot of the competition do not have that. It's just one very nice feature. Has a handle on the driver's side, handle on the passenger side. I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. Very easy to do. 36-inch wide ramp. It does taper to 34 inches where the ramp sits at the base here. 56 inches coming inside, 58 inches inside the van. Yes, this van is ADA compliant. You see the spare tire there. Has 8 tie down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. Headliner looks great. Got the rear air controls up there in the corner. Very clean interior. The seats have about 26 inches of room between them, so most chairs will slide up between those. If you have a wider chair, need some other options, let us know. We can, try to configure this van to meet your needs. There is not a one-size-fits-all, but let us know what you're trying to accomplish and see if we can help. The dash looks great. Got your radio, dual climate control, rear air, plenty of cup holders. Got my jug out because it's 100 degrees today. It is hot. So, when you've got everybody in secure, we do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van. Come back out. Looky there, 1 finger. That's all it takes. Lift it back up. Give the trunk a good slam and you're ready to roll. To do a quick walk around, the van has alloy wheels. Tires have a lot of tread left on them. They're not brand new, but they are still very healthy. Overall, very clean van, for the age. It's been well taken care of, and this is the kind of vehicles we look for. I'm not looking for something that's been pulled out of a river. I'm not looking for salvage vehicles. I'm not looking for vehicles that have been in an accident or major accident so I can try to save a buck. Those are headaches. I don't want to deal with headaches, just like you don't want to deal with headaches. I want good quality vans we can put on the road at an affordable price and that our customers can be happy with, and that's our goal. The jump seats are brand new. They've never been sat in. Very clean carpets. The base rear of the seats are very clean. It's got 2 keys, 1 fob. It's got the keyless entry. Very clean interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke. There's our VIN number. We always show that to you in every video. Front seats are pretty darn clean for the age and the year. They got a little bit of brown in them, like down the armrest, but overall for a 9-year-old vehicle with over 100,000 miles on it, super clean. Fires up first time every time. No dummy lights, no check engine lights, no airbag lights, none of that. They all go out. 110,000 miles. The tire traction, the TPMS light, that is on at 110,000 miles. That is not something I'm going to fix. If you want us to start replacing these little sensors at your dime, we sure can. Let me know how important that is to you. Let's pop the hood so you can hear it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.5 V6. We've checked it over for any damage. No signs of any accidents, no signs of any bent metal, nothing like that. From what we can see, everything looks great. No signs of any flood damage, no signs of any leaks. We check these vehicles over very thorough. And I crawl underneath the van. And as you'll notice in our competition, they rarely ever, if ever, show underneath the van. Underneath the van is very important. That is the AC dripping right there. But no signs of any abnormal rust, no signs of any frame damage. A lot of our competition, they'll buy these vans up from New York and Chicago. They'll buy them all rusted out. They'll save a couple $1,000s on a chassis, but little do you know, it's got a bunch of rust underneath it. So that's how they compete with our prices. But no matter who you're buying from, make sure you get a video like this. That is the number one mistake people make when purchasing a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume because it looked nice in pictures. They assume because it's a good price. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume it's a great deal. They assume it's going to be a good van. They assume it's going to be everything they expected. 80% of the time, that is not the case. So I don't care who you are. I don't care who you're buying from. Tell them to get out there. Tell them to get out their behinds. Tell them to make a detailed video like this. And if they won't do that, they're trying to sell you a $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 van and they won't go make a video for you. Who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? People get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. let's get the van out on a test drive. We tested all the power windows, power locks, air conditioner, everything, power mirrors, cruise control, everything on this van works. I've got 3 mechanics that check these out for me, so let's get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on the highway so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or that you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van is highway worthy. With that being said, we are selling these at wholesale prices. We're selling these $10,000, sometimes even $15,000 less than the competition. If you want to buy wholesale, I cannot be your warranty company. We suggest a warranty with every used vehicle. We strongly suggest that. I cannot promise what vehicles are going to do tomorrow. So just being honest with you. Cruise control works great. Steering wheel is nice and straight. It drives down the highway very nicely. And I know there's a lot of competition out there selling mobility vans. The first thing I would ask you to do is compare us to the competition. Look at our ratings. Look at our A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Check out the competition, see if they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. If not, you might ask them why. More importantly, you might ask yourself why you're doing business with them if they don't. Secondly, we look at our reviews online. Look us up on Google. We have wonderful reviews. Our customers, our reviews speak for themselves. If you're going to do business with a dealer that has negative reviews, shady reviews, you're probably going to have trouble with them. Buying a car is hard enough. It's a big enough pain in the behind. Don't do business with a shady dealer. Promise you'll regret it. I'm going to come into this exit here. I'm going to give the van a hard brake at the bottom of the exit. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So overall, the van seems to run and drive very nice. AC is cold, everything seems to work on it. Good tires on it. So whether it be for your business or personal use, I believe this van, if it's taken care of, should make a very good vehicle for many years to come. So back to comparing us to the competition. Now, there's a reason I get out here and make these videos when it's 100 degrees out. I don't do it because I like it, trust me. I go the extra mile because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. I've been doing this almost 9 years now. I've never once had a customer call me and say this isn't what I was expecting. I promise you, if you just see pictures, your chances of getting a van that you weren't expecting something about that van, they are extremely high. So take it from someone that's been doing this for quite a while. Get you a nice video like this. Which brings me to my next point. I am the owner of the company. I am not a used car salesman. There's a difference between me and a used car salesman. Yes, I'm going to be here for 5 years, 10 years from now. Most of those used car salesmen, they'll probably work out another lot in a couple months. They don't care if you get the truth. They don't care if you get a good vehicle. They don't care if they get your repeat business. They just care about that commission check. I'm the exact opposite. So check us out 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Give me a call anytime at 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You now have the owner's cell phone number. Try and get that at one of those big dealerships. Yeah, good luck. We do have financing available. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.